Good afternoon, everyone. Last lecture, we started the welding process. Sorry, we started the joining process. There are two processes. One is temporary joining and the permanent joining process. So under temporary cases, we have seen screwing, then riveting, bolting. Then under the permanent joining, we know that is the welding process, soldering process, brazing process. Okay, so these are the process we can call it as a permanent joining process, right? Now under the category of permanent joining process, so we have to study welding process. Okay, so what do you mean by welding? What do you mean by welding process? So can anybody define welding process? काय करतो आपण वेल्डिंग करत असताना?
Joining
दोन पार्ट.
Yes, we are joining the two metals, two parts, two work pieces together. Okay, so have you seen the welding process actual? दोन मेटल पार्ट आपण जॉईन करतो, पण कसं करतो, काय करतो नेमकं, काय कसं करतो? हा, we have to make heating. We have to apply the heat, then only we can join the process. Okay, 1 second.
Apply pressure.
Okay, by applying the pressure. Say, so the welding can be defined by, it is a process of joining two similar metal pieces. Okay, two similar metal pieces by the application of pressure. Okay, by the application of pressure on the surface of the metal plate. So in the plastic state or without pressure in the fusion state. Now two words are coming here. One is plastic state and second is the fusion state. Okay, so whatever the metal pieces are there, we have to heat. We have to keep on heating. So we have to heat up to plastic stage. And second is what? Fusion state. So fusion means what? Where we have to go for the melting stage. Are you getting? We have to melt the metal. मग कसं मेल्ट करायचं वगैरे, त्याला there are different welding processes, different techniques or different sources of heating, different sources of heating. Okay, so we can define welding is a process of joining two similar metals by the application of pressure on the surface in the plastic state or without pressure in the fusion state. That is the welding. Okay, so shortly we remember, welding is the process of joining two similar metal by the application of pressure or maybe heating up to the plastic state or up to the fusion state without pressure applied. Okay, that is the welding. Now in the welding, whatever the two methods are there, welding methods, that is fusion welding and the pressure welding. So in the fusion welding means what? So whatever the metal pieces are there, those metal pieces we have to weld. ते आपल्याला वेल्ड करायचे, तर त्याला काय करायचं? You have to heat up to the molten stage. Okay, you have to heat up to the molten stage. That is the fusion state. See, melting होईपर्यंत आपण त्याला heat करत जाईल. That is the fusion state. Fusion means what? Two metal parts get mixed each other. वाटतं समजा part A, part B. ते तुम्ही त्याला heat करा आणि ते काय शेवटी होतील? Mix होतील. Fusion होईल त्याचं. आपण शिकले केमिस्ट्री मध्ये फ्युजन रिएक्शन, फ्युजन रिएक्शन. Yes or no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
In chemistry you have studied fusion reaction, fission reaction. So same way here, in this process of fusion welding, what are the metal pieces, two metal pieces that you want to weld it, so we have to go for heating. So that heating we have to carry out up to the molten state, and once molten it is melted, okay, melten stage. So after the melten stage, we have to keep it for the solidification. We have to keep it for the solidification, and after a certain time of solidification, the two metals parts can be joined together, okay, automatically. So that is the, here we are not applying any kind of pressure. Here we are not applying any kind of pressure in the process. So this is called as fusion welding. Okay, so for fusion welding, compulsory we require one filler material. that is also called as a welding rod. So whatever the welding rod, we are using it for joining the two parts. Okay, so that filler material add in the gaps. दोन पार्ट आपण घेतले, त्या दोन गॅप प्लेटला आपल्याला जॉईन करताना जे मध्ये ते जो काही गॅप असणार आहे त्या गॅप मध्ये काय करतो आपण, वेल्डिंग रॉड पकडून मेल्ट करत असतो. वी आर मेल्टिंग इट. ओके, अँड here we are not applying any kind of pressure. So once we are not applying pressure, so that is the fusion welding. Okay, so two metal pieces can be welded together up to the and heated up to the molten state, and then we can go for solidification for certain time, and in this process pressure is not applied at all. Okay, so this is known as fusion welding. And second one is the pressure welding. So in the pressure welding, what happened? Two metal pieces are those metal pieces that you want to weld it. First of all, we have to go for heating to a temperature so as to make those two metal pieces heating up to the plastic stage. So once plastic stage will reach, then we have to force together by applying the external pressure. So this process does not require any kind of filler material, okay, or additional material. Hence it is known as pressure welding. So because only we have to apply pressure, so that pressure will be applied when two metal pieces are heated together to a temperature up to the plastic stage. जो पण प्लास्टिक स्टेज रीच होत नाही तो पण हीट करत जायचं आणि टेम्परेचर वाढवत जायचं. आणि प्लास्टिक स्टेज रीच झाली की काय करायचं, सिम्पली अप्लाय एक्सटर्नल प्रेशर, सो दोज पार्ट्स कॅन बी जॉइन टुगेदर. ओके, दिस इज द pressure welding or also known as a plastic welding. So can you understand difference between fusion welding and pressure welding? Hello.
प्लास्टिक स्टेज म्हणजे?
प्लास्टिक स्टेज म्हणजे आपण आता एखादं प्लास्टिक मटेरियल घेतलं, आपण त्या प्लास्टिक मटेरियल आपण जर फोर्स लावला तर ते डिफॉर्म होते का नाही होत?
होत आहे.
हा, म्हणजे थोडक्यात ती प्रेस करून आपल्याला ती काय करायचं, जॉईन करायचं. आर गेटिंग? म्हणजे समजा तुम्ही दोन मेटल पीसेस घेतले असतील, ओके, त्याला तुम्ही असं हिटिंग करा की त्याची प्लास्टिक स्टेज येईपर्यंत तुम्ही त्याला हिट केला आणि त्याला जर तुम्ही प्रेस केलं परत प्रेशर अप्लाय करून बाहेरून, तर ते दोन पार्ट जॉईन होतात तिथे. सो टू पार्ट्स कॅन बी जॉईन टुगेदर. सो दॅट इज द प्रेशर वेल्डिंग. म्हणजे प्रेशर अप्लाय करून काय करायचं, त्याला वेल्ड करायचं, त्याला जॉईन करायचं. दॅट इज द प्रेशर वेल्डिंग और यू कॅन से प्लास्टिक वेल्डिंग. आता इथं तुम्हाला काय फिलर मटेरियलची काही गरज नाही, एक्स्ट्रा वेल्डिंग रॉड सेपरेट लावायची गरज नाहीये. बट इन केस ऑफ फ्युजन वेल्डिंग यू रिक्वायर फिलर मटेरियल, दॅट इज द ॲडिशनल मेटल विच इज रिक्वायर्ड, दॅट इज वेल्डिंग रॉड. जे वेल्डिंग रॉड असतो त्याला काय म्हणायचं, फिलर मटेरियल. सो दॅट फिलर मटेरियल विल बी ऍडेड इन द गॅप्स अँड द गॅप विल बी फुलफिल्ड. कारण काय केलं जातं की ज्यावेळेस तुम्ही असं हिटिंग करता मोल्टन स्टेज पर्यंत आणि त्यानंतर तुम्ही जर फिलर मटेरियल ऍड केलं तर ते एकदम तो गॅप पूर्ण भरला जातो आणि पॅक होता. दॅट इज द फ्युजन वेल्डिंग. आर यू क्लिअर?
Yes, sir.
Note down definition of welding. Welding is the process. Welding is the process of joining two similar metals by applying pressure on the surfaces, in the plastic state, underline the word plastic state, in the plastic state, or without pressure in the fusion state, underline the word fusion state. Next line, the welding process may be classified welding process may be classified into two categories. Into two categories. One, fusion welding. इथे लिहा वाटल्यास. In fusion welding, pressure does not required. Pressure does not required. But filler material is required. Filler material is required. In bracket welding rod. Filler material is required in bracket welding rod. Bracket complete to complete the joint. Second type is pressure welding. In this process, external force is required. External pressure is required. But filler material does not require. Filler material does not require to complete the welding. Okay. Are you clear? Fusion welding and pressure welding.
Yes, sir.
लक्षात येते का? फ्युजन वेल्डिंग मध्ये आपल्याला प्रेशर अप्लाय करायचं नाही, लक्षात ठेवा. फक्त वेल्डिंग रॉड वापरायचं आहे आणि दॅट इज ऍक्टिंग ऍज अ फिलर मटेरियल आणि त्याप्रमाणे दोन पार्ट जॉईन करून घ्यायचे. आणि प्रेशर वेल्डिंग मध्ये काय लागते आपल्याला? कंपल्सरी एक्सटर्नल प्रेशर अप्लाय करूनच तुम्हाला ते दोन पार्ट जॉईन करायचे, लक्षात घ्या. सो ट्राय टू अंडरस्टँड फ्युजन वेल्डिंग अँड प्रेशर वेल्डिंग. So here, in this, try to understand difference fusion welding and pressure welding. हे जर कळालं दोन्ही तर तुम्हाला पुढचं वेल्डिंगच्या टाइप सगळे कळतील लगेच. ओके, आर यू क्लिअर एव्हरीवन? बॉय साइड. हॅलो.
येस सर.
हा, फ्युजन वेल्डिंग मध्ये लक्षात ठेवा की प्रेशर अप्लाय करायचं नाही, वेल्डिंग रॉड लागतो. ओके, आणि प्रेशर वेल्डिंग मध्ये काय आपल्याला कंपल्सरी प्रेशर अप्लाय करून ते दोन पार्ट जॉईन करायचे. तिथं आपल्याला कुठल्याही प्रकारचं फिलर मटेरियल लागत नाही, वेल्डिंग रॉड लागत नाही. ओके, फक्त हिटिंग करायचं प्लास्टिक स्टेज पर्यंत आणि त्याला परत प्रेशर अप्लाय करून जॉईन करून घ्यायचं. दॅट इज द प्रेशर वेल्डिंग. पण नॉर्मली इन आवर डे टू डे प्रॅक्टिस वी आर युजिंग फ्युजन वेल्डिंग ओनली. एम आय राईट? हॅलो. जास्तीत जास्त आपण कुठलं वेल्डिंग वापरतो? फ्युजन वेल्डिंग और प्रेशर वेल्डिंग?
फ्युजन वेल्डिंग.
Fusion welding only, because in most of the fabrication shop, whatever the welding is used, that is the fusion welding, that is filler material is required over there. Okay, so it is the fusion welding type, because whatever the joint is there, it is we can get more life. Okay, Hence, we are using only fusion welding at maximum applications. Pressure welding is used rarely, not much. Okay. Next part is under fusion welding, we are going to discuss in detail, that is arc welding, gas welding, resistance welding, and manual metal arc welding. Okay. So these types of welding we will discuss in detail. So put the heading fusion welding processes. Fusion welding processes. First, arc welding. Second, gas welding. Gas welding. Dash oxyacetylene welding. Oxyacetylene welding. Third, resistance welding. Resistance welding. And fourth, manual metal arc welding. Manual metal arc welding. Manual metal arc welding. Okay. Now we will discuss first type, that is arc welding, that is electric arc welding. So put the heading electric arc welding and draw the first diagram. Draw the first diagram. जी diagram दिसते इथे बघा. Draw this diagram. Okay, right. Use pencil and scale for drawing the diagram.
Govind. Rutvik.
Is it over?
No, sir.
Completed, sir.
Okay, we'll wait for 2 minutes. Okay. Now see, if you see the construction of this arc welding, I think everybody has seen this arc welding machine. Yes or no? बघितलं का सगळ्यांनी?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
बघितले.
There is a supply, one current supply is given. Okay, welding cable, then this is electrode holder. Okay, so this is the what we can say, welding rod, you can say. Okay, and this is the workpiece. So here you want to these two metal pieces you want to join it. Okay, दोन metal piece तुम्हाला join करायचे. तर बघा, so this is acting as a one electrode, workpiece acting another electrode. Okay, so one terminal of the wire is connected to the electrode, that is welding rod, and second terminal of this battery is connected to the workpiece. Okay, so workpiece is one electrode and this welding rod is another electrode. So when you start supply, what will happen? So current will flow through it. Okay, so whenever when this welding, when this bring it together, means close together, so whatever the gap is there, small gap 2 mm or 3 mm, so arc will be produced. So when arc will be produced, then what will happen? So heating will take place. Okay, heating will take place. So this welding rod and these metal pieces will melt it. Okay, will melt it and it will spread in the gaps, whatever the gap is there. जे आपला पोर्शन आपल्याला वेल्ड करायचं आहे त्या गॅप मध्ये काय होणार, ते मोल्टन मेटल हे फ्लो होणार आहे. ओके, अँड then we are keeping for the solidification. But before solidification, so this welding rod is coated with flux. This welding rod is coated with the flux, so it will produce lot of slag over it. जो काय वेल्डेड पोर्शन आहे त्यावरती स्लॅग येतो बघा. ऐक बघितलं का स्लॅग? डाय वेल्डिंग पोर्शन केल्यानंतर त्याच्यावरती स्लॅग येतो. ओके, so because this welding rod is coated with the flux, so this flux will get covered over the welded portion. जो काय गॅप असतो त्याच्यावरती पूर्णपणे असं लेयर तयार होतो. So this purpose of this layer is what? To make an cooling process very slow, to avoid the rapid cooling. आपल्याला cooling जर rapidly आपल्याला avoid करायचं असेल, we have to provide flux over the this welding rod, so that flux will be produced, or flux will spread over the welded portion, and cooling will take place very slowly, and we can get the strong joint, that is the strong welded joint between the two metal pieces. Okay, so this is the arc welding process that you we can do it very easily. Okay, so to go for arc welding process, definitely more skill is required. Okay, कुणी भी करू शकत नाही, लक्षात ठेवा. To make the welding, arc welding process, we require skill. Without skill, we cannot do the arc welding, because we have to maintain the gap between the this workpiece and the electrode, so that arc will be produced and heating will be carried out between the electrode and this workpiece edges. And once arc will be produced, that is heat will be given, heating will start, and part will get melted, because temperature of the arc is around 4000 degrees Celsius. So the range of temperature 4000 degrees Celsius, whatever the arc is produced. So that arc maintain temperature around 4000 degrees Celsius. So definitely you can understand that, yes, how this welding process happens rapidly. Okay, कारण जी काय हिटिंग होत असते पटकन ह्या जो काय मेटल पीसेस एजेस असतात ते पटकन मेल्ट होतात, आणि त्या गॅप मध्ये मोल्टन मेटल फिलअप होत असते, वेल्डिंग रॉड मेल्ट होत असतोय, आणि याच्यावरती स्लॅग तयार होतात, कारण ह्याचा हा वेल्डिंग रॉड हा फ्लक्स कोटेड असतो. ह्याच्यावरती स्लॅग झाले की जे काय इम्प्युरिटीज असतात, ओके, किंवा जे काय रिॲक्शन घडत असतात ऍटमॉस्फिअरमध्ये असणार ऑक्सिजन किंवा नायट्रोजनशी, ते रिॲक्शन्स थांबल्या जातात, बिकॉज इट इज ऍक्टिंग ॲज अ कोटिंग, फ्लक्स कोटिंग. ओके, it is providing slag over the welded portion. Okay, so this slag will help to avoid the reactions between the atmospheric oxygen and the nitrogen. Okay, and we can obtain the perfect welding joint and it will get the more life to the welded joint. Are you clear? हे आर्क वेल्डिंग बद्दलचं कळालं सगळ्यांना?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. So write something about this arc welding so that you will clear more. Write down. When current passed through the battery, comma, the electric arc is produced. The electric arc is produced between workpiece and electrode full stop. The workpiece and electrode are melted by the arc ARC, full stop. Both molten pieces of metal becomes one म्हणजे एकच होते, लक्षात ठेवा. लिक्विड म्हणजे जे काही मेल्टेड मेटल आहे ते इट विल बी एज कॉमन सेम. काय लिहिलं? both molten pieces of metal becomes one, full stop. Temperature of arc is about 4000 degrees Celsius. Temperature of arc is about 4000 degrees Celsius. Electrodes used in arc welding are coated with flux, full stop. This flux produces gaseous shielding cover. This flux produces gaseous shielding, shielding around the molten metal, full stop. It prevents the reaction of molten metal with oxygen and nitrogen in the atmosphere. Full stop. The flux removes the impurities. From the molten metal. Flux removes the impurities from the molten metal and form a slag. and form a slag and form FORM and form a slag, full stop. This slag get deposited. This slag get deposited. This slag get deposited over the weld metal. Over the weld metal. जी काय वेल्डिंग केलं त्याच्यावरती. Get deposited over the weld metal. Full stop. This protect the welding. This protects the welding from rapid cooling. From rapid cooling. This protects the weld from rapid cooling. Okay, so this is the simple working of how this arc welding works. That explanation part I have given. Now, what are the advantages and disadvantages? So can you tell what are the advantages and disadvantages?
Advantages. Marathi सांग.
Yes, you can tell. सांगा. काय वाटतं advantages?
We required less time.
It lives for long time.
Yes, the life welding strength is good. You can say welding strength is good. Good welding strength can be achieved. Next. Azun?
It lives for a long time.
Okay. So life of this welding will be higher or the more. Azun? So whatever the setup is there, it is portable. You can move anywhere. Yes or no? You might have seen while doing any kind of shade or some home related work. Okay, so that machine is portable. You can move anywhere. It is simple. Okay. So again, whatever the cost of that machine, it is comparatively less as compared to other welding processes or other welding machineries. Okay. Then disadvantages. Disadvantage.
Dangerous to health.
Yes, it is dangerous to health because you need to wear the spect. Okay. बघा डोळ्याला आपण जर हे घेतलं कारण आपण त्यावेळेस वेल्डिंग प्रोसेस चालू केल्यानंतर आपण जर डोळ्यानं बघितलं तर ते आपल्या हेल्थसाठी हजार्डस असते. ओके, एकदम डोळे सुजतात ते किंवा त्याचा जो काय स्मोक असतो तो जर आपण इनहेल केला तर ते आपल्या शरीरासाठी घातक असतो. सो वी कॅन से whatever this welding process, it is if you will not take the care or proper care, so it is hazardous to the health. It is harmful to the health. Okay. And second, filler material is required here. Okay, can you say filler material is required here? No. Is also disadvantage. You can say filler material is required, which is costly one. Which is costly. Filler material is required here, and it is costly. Okay, so these are some disadvantages. Then applications where this welding process is used. You can say in industries, pipelines, construction of steel structures. Okay, in such places you can use this electrical arc welding. बघा arc welding जे असते ते मॅक्झिमम प्लेस मध्ये इंडस्ट्री मध्ये किंवा पाईपलाईन फिटिंग मध्ये असेल किंवा जे तिथं स्टील स्ट्रक्चर्स केले जातात. ओके, पत्र्याची शेड्स वगैरे वगैरे असतात तिथं तुम्हाला आर्क वेल्डिंगच बघायला मिळेल. बाकीचे वेल्डिंग्स आपण वापरत नाही. ठीक आहे. these are the certain applications you can go for use of arc welding. Clear everyone? advantages,
sir.
disadvantage application. If you write 2 advantages, 2 disadvantages and applications for 3 marks or 4 marks, question if comes in exam, explain arc welding. At that time, you should write draw its a diagram. Then whatever the write up I have given, and then advantage, disadvantages, you will get full marks. Is it clear? Okay. Now here our this arc welding part is over. So next lecture we will see gas welding, in that oxyacetylene gas welding, right? So now time is over. We'll stop here.
Sir, write up.
What? आर्क advantages लिहू शकता ना तुम्ही, काय काय मी आता डिस्कस केलेली. Can you write or not?
Yes, sir.
द्या ना तुमच्या शब्दामध्ये द्या. इट इज पोर्टेबल. ऍडव्हान्टेज काय? पोर्टेबल आहे, सिंपल आहे, त्यानंतर कॉस्ट कमी आहे. यू कॅन राईट सच ऍडव्हान्टेजेस. Disadvantages, it is not, smoke is not, it is not, it is harmful to the health. Whatever the filler material is required, which increases cost. So तुम्ही सांगू शकता. Okay, now give the attendance. 1,
Present.
2,
Present, sir.
3,
Present, sir.
4,
Present, sir.
5,
Present, sir.
6,
Present, sir.
7,
Present, sir.
8,
Present, sir.
9,
Present, sir.
10,
Present, sir.
11,
Present, sir.
12,
Present, sir.
13, 14,
Present, sir.
15,
Yes, sir.
16, 17,
Present, sir.
18, roll number 18. 18 is there or not? 19,
Present, sir.
20,
Present, sir.
21,
Present.
22,
Yes, sir.
23, 23, 23 absent, 24,
Yes, sir.
25,
Yes, sir.
26,
Yes, sir.
27, 28,
Yes, sir.
29,
Yes, sir.
30,
Yes, sir.
31,
Present, sir.
32, 33,
Present, sir.
34, 34, 35,
Present, sir.
36, 36, 37,
Present, sir.
38,
Present, sir.
39,
Present, sir.
40,
Present, sir.
41,
Present, sir.
42, 42, 43,
Sir, 42 present.
okay, 43, 44, 44,
Sir.
Present, sir.
45,
Present, sir.
Present, sir.
46, 46, 47,
Present, sir.
48,
Present, sir.
49,
Yes, sir.
50, roll number 50, 50,
Yes, sir.
51,
Present, sir.
52,
Present, sir.
Present, sir.
53, 53, 54,
Present, sir.
55, 55, 56,
Present, sir.
57, 58,
Present, sir.
59,
Yes, sir.
60, roll number 60, 61,
Yes.
62, 62. 62 absent. 63.
Yes, sir.
64.
Yes, sir.
65. 66. 67.
Yes, sir.
68. 68. Okay, I will repeat the absent numbers. I will read up absent numbers once again. 13, 16, 18, 23, 27, 32, 34, 36, 46, 53, 55, 57, 60, 62, 65, and last 66.
Sir.
Sir, 32.
30,
32.
32.
Sir,
ओके नेक्स्ट अजून कोण आहे अब्सेंट म्हणजे प्रेझेंट दिलं असं कोण आहे का अजून 36 ओके नेक्स्ट
62.
62 अजून कोण आहे का ठीक है so we'll stop here